If you have an enclosed clutch bell carrier and you don't know how to get your pinion on because every time you push on the bell, it pushes it backwards, I'm going to show you a neat trick. There you go. So what will happen, as you can see, is when you push your pinion on, it pushes the bell backwards and then you can't seat it with this pinion. So what I do is I use a screw to firstly pull out the bell, and then an oversized screw. As you can see, this thing is way too long, and then I screw it into the bell, and then with my long nose pliers I hold on to the screw to pull the bell backwards while I seat the pinion. There we go. Now the pinion and bell has been seated. Make sure that you don't push on that screw again. Take out the long one and then install the correct one, trying not to push on the bell, but you can turn the pinion to screw that thing in because it is seated with the bell. And then it will get to a certain point where you will not be able to push the bell out of the seat, and that's happy days. There we go. Boom! Whoa, that looks a bit wobbly.